because we've never dealt with the possibility of so many people self-actualizing on such a grand scale, we've never had to consider whether or not everybody is capable of self-actualization, and what the circumstances are to encourage such a global, widespread self-actualization. Now, I've started to kind of use the term social auto-actualization, meaning sort of the anomalous, kind of unforeseen phenomena that would occur if everybody in a society was self-actualizing, or if the majority was. So social auto-actualization is the idea that it's basically what the STEM epiconomy does, right? You introduce different motivational foci, you introduce different psychological structures or psychologically active, external structures to get people motivated to want to self-actualize. But what is okay? So that because it turns into the cycle, right? Because once people are self-actualizing, their desire is to turn around and give back to society. And once people are giving back to society, and other people are actualizing, then you have this sort of cycle, right? You have this feedback loop where people are actualizing, giving back, actualizing, giving back. All right. So my term for that I've been using is social auto-actualization. Okay. Now, recently I've been wondering what exactly the anomalous effects would be. What exactly are the sort of side effects that I have not considered in this sort of situation? And I can't guarantee that all of them would be good. So that is something that I need to consider and think about. However, going back to, because we are now kind of jumping into the business side of what this landscape would look like. What I think the natural progression would look like doesn't mean that this is what would happen. This is what I have sort of concocted, okay? But it's an educated assumption. It's an educated guess as to what we would see here.